Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, a powerful and versatile tablet experience. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro aims to deliver a premium tablet experience with a focus on performance, display quality, and versatility. This global version tablet boasts impressive specifications, including a powerful processor, a stunning display, and a long-lasting battery, making it suitable for a wide range of uses, from entertainment and productivity to creative tasks. Key features and performance. Powerful performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 888 Deca Core processor, the Pad 6s Pro offers smooth and responsive performance for demanding applications, multitasking, and gaming. This processor ensures a fluid user experience even when running graphically intensive games or editing high-resolution videos. Stunning 11-inch 4K display. The 11-inch 4K screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 provides sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent clarity, making it ideal for watching movies, browsing photos, and working on detailed projects. Ample memory and storage options, with configurations offering up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, along with 512 GB and 256 GB options. The Pad 6s Pro provides ample space for apps, files, and media. The inclusion of a TF card slot allows for further storage expansion, up to 128 GB. High-resolution cameras. The tablet features a 16MP front-facing camera for clear video calls and selfies, and a 32MP rear camera for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Long-lasting battery. The massive 20,000 mAh high-density lithium-ion battery provides extended usage time, allowing you to enjoy your tablet for longer periods without needing to recharge. Android 14 system. Running on the latest Android 14 operating system, the Pad 6s Pro offers a smooth and intuitive user experience with access to a vast library of apps on the Google Play Store. Connectivity and features. The tablet supports dual SIM cards, nano SIM, and offers 5G, 4G, 3G, and GSM network compatibility. It also includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and various sensors like a gravity sensor and fingerprint sensor in-screen. Premium design. The hot bend 3D plating gradient glass back cover provides a premium look and feel, making the tablet both stylish and comfortable to hold. Included accessories. The package includes essential accessories such as a charger adapter, OTG cable, user manual, a stylus pen, and a protective tablet case, providing added value and convenience. Important network compatibility note. As specified, this tablet is compatible with GSM, WCDMA, 4G, and 5G networks, including many US carriers like T-Mobile, AT&T, and others. However, it does not support CDMA networks like Verizon, Sprint, US Cellular, Boost Mobile, Freedom Pop, and Ting. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro presents a compelling option for users seeking a powerful, feature-rich, and stylish Android tablet. Its combination of performance, display quality, battery life, and included accessories makes it a strong contender in the tablet market.